What we got here?
Old Mustang.
Old Stang.
We got a bad voltage regulator.
Is that the one?
This is the one we put on there.
Yeah.
It's rounding out.
I got to go to the parts store, so you can get one while I'm there. Sunshine,
What's up?
you done with school?
Yes, sir.
You working full time now?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Good.
He said he's gonna get it done. Well, here she is.
Hey.
She got her. I got some boots just like that. I do.
Same size and all.
Hey now,
What are you doing this morning, Vince?
a little this and a little that.
Things up.
Gotta get some video footage for Shop Walk this week.
Oh yeah. Well,
Tell me what we're doing here.
hopefully Professor T will put some color on our Bronco next week. We're just finalizing the body, me and Kristen is, doing our last little wet sand and touch-ups. And other than that, it will be ready to clean and put some color on it.
It's looking sharp.
Got the boots full of of a Scout chassis that's on chassis black. I've got,
Let's go look at that.
and then behind you, I'll be doing that after look. So Mr. Tyler did an awesome job of taking the Scout apart for us and breaking down the frame and all the running gear. We got it all cleaned up. I got it sprayed yesterday, and today I've got to spray the rest of it: the rear end, front differential, leaf spring, etc. Get all that done so Mr. Tyler can start putting it back together. He did a really good job taking it apart.
We're waiting on parts.
Yes, sir.
And Big Block, he spent like 47 hours on this quarter right here.
How many?
47.
47. Yeah. Unfortunately. Chuno. Gotta get it right.
Chuno.
Chuno.
Chuno. That's a
Chuno.
new word. Is that from the Big Block Dictionary?
It is. Coming to you soon. Barnes and Noble. Price to sell. $9.99.
How many words it got in it?
2. It's only got 2 words.
Chuno?
More than that. Chuno.
It will think of some other ones.
And yeah, I don't want to let them all out, because then nobody's going to want to
Buy the book. That's right. Does anybody buy books anymore? You might be
No,
going down the
it's-
wrong path to
it's-
start with.
Oh, really?
You want an ebook? Let's turn it into an ebook.
All this money I've got invested, and just finding out that I could have done an ebook.
Is it hardback or softback?
Sorry. I couldn't afford the hardback.
I'm still camera shy.
We got GTO Le Mans. We're gonna make a GTO clone. Got to order the frame today. Motor's already ordered. I think transmission's being ordered today. New wheels. We got some sheet metal coming. Going to take the motor out. All new custom interior. New paint job. I mean, just the full works on this. It's going to be a nice car. So Sunshine is our, well, he's out of high school for the summer. Been working part-time with us, so he's working full-time this summer. So he is cleaning the paint booth for us. We're gonna step back here and see what Nate Dogg and Professor T are doing here in the back shop. I think they've been working on the console for the Indian Outlaws, so I hear some nail gun in here. Golly, it's cold in here.
I know.
Wait, is he in here? Let's turn it up.
I know. He looks like it.
Golly, you hang meat in this place.
Hey, go back there in that bathroom, see how cold it is.
God almighty. Oh, we got our stands built?
Yep.
Oh, yes.
Put the Apache on.
Anything in Apache I can show them? Or is it all right here?
It's right here.
It's the start of the console.
Start the console.
Got your AC controls. Gonna have your push button transmission. Then we'll have a push button start in there. We'll have the radio
USB.
there. USB ports.
Yeah, we're gonna have USB ports.
Cool. And then that will all be covered by a sliding door, right?
Yes. Mocked up. So something like that. And then you'll have a top plate to cover all that good stuff.
All wrapped in leather, stitched.
Stitched, wrapped in leather.
And so that means the dash is all gonna be clean.
Clean.
So maybe some air conditioned vents in it, but other than that, everything will be hidden.
Yeah, we may move those down.
Oh yeah? Make a panel?
Maybe.
My concern with the box under the dash is it hangs down. So I was thinking it might be something that needs to be made.
We're gonna cover that.
Okay.
Yeah.
They already love you.
Do they?
Yeah.
Well, good.
The wet sanding.
I am.
About time to get that thing painted.
What color is it going?
Same as the firewall engine bay. Like a blue, white top.
Gotcha. Yeah, I was working on that. Like
On the top, yep. You got the sides already done and working on the top, right?
That's right. Have to get like some high heels or something so I can reach it.
Hola. What kind of mess did you just make?
I pulled apart the motor for the Scout.
That's the remnants of it.
Yeah. No matter what I did, it seemed like it just had more and more fluid in it.
Where's it at? You got it down to the block?
Yeah, it's out back.
Tell us what you're doing.
How are you?
Good.
So, what we got here is I've been working on this roof.
Is it kicking your butt?
Not yet.
No? I hear you.
I'll have to do it in sections so I don't make a mess.
I hear you.
I use my tape as a lever.
Getting all the hail damage out of it.
Oh, you got it. Hello, folks. How
What?
y'all doing today?
Look at our paint booth.
Yeah, today's a little bit of maintenance day. Tying up a couple loose ends and getting the booth nice and clean again.
So we got a epoxy on our floor, but and look at that pit. You ever seen a pit that deep in a downdraft? It's pretty good.
We got to come in here, still mop and all that, and then we squirt it down with a little bit of basically like a key mask so it don't get overspray on it, and we let that dry up so it's clear. Spray that on the floor, spray it everywhere, and then we mask the floor, and then it'll be ready to go.
What's next in the booth?
Next in the booth will most likely be the Bronco.
JJ, did you hear that? The Bronco.
The Bronco!
fellas, it's Friday, end of the week. We're getting some rain here in Greenville, much needed. Outside. Zach,
Yo.
Big Block, do you want to go first today?
Do I want to go first?
Yeah, on your Fun Fact Friday.
Fun Fact Friday. Huh.
First of all, while you're thinking about that, tell me what you're getting ready to do here. Why is everything in here covered in plastic today?
We wanted to redecorate. We thought we needed some curtains. But we couldn't decide on the pattern, whether we wanted floral, whether we wanted, you know, something a little traditional. So we just went ahead and went with clear. What do y'all think?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, we're just getting everything covered. We're about the final 2K the bus. Hallelujah. And we're gonna let this thing sit up for a little bit, get it wet sanded, and maybe get a little bit of that there beautiful glazurate on there.
So we're close to paint, huh?
Oh yeah. For sure.
For sure.
For sure.
All right. Now that you've had time to think about it, what is your Fun Fact Friday about AKA Big Block?
Well, believe it or not, I actually had a beard when I was in high school.
A beard that long?
Not this big, but I could grow a beard in high school.
You can
It
grow.
was a little patchy, but I could grow in high school.
You pretty much had a beard most of your adult
Yeah,
life.
you don't want to see this face without no hair.
Fun Fact Friday for Jeremy. My stepfather, God rest his soul, used to play in a pretty famous band here and there. Anybody heard of Tom Petty? I'll leave it there.
Yeah. Wow.
I have gold records at home from that gentleman, David Jones, professional drummer. Another drummer.
So what is a Fun Fact Friday about Kristen that we don't know?
I used to race go-karts and front-wheel drive cars.
Ah, so you grew up in this business basically, huh?
Yeah. My daddy, he races, and my uncle, he races. He builds cars, all that good stuff, so I was born into it.
You were born with a wrench in your hand and dirty dirt on your fingernails, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Little,
Little Firetech going into 71 Nova.
yeah.
Got the motor in yesterday. Transmission, got the distributor in today. Uh-huh. You want to do a Fun Fact Friday, or are you passing today? You don't only want to get the pass because you're the boss.
Fun Fact Friday. As young as I look, I am 40.
Ain't nobody said you look young.
Oh yeah. That's a Fun Fact Friday. See, it made you smile.
And see, he still got his
Baby face.
baby face and peach fuzz.
Yeah, that's all I can grow. That's a week.
We've tried, folks, and that's about it.
That's it. That's all. It gets up there about 8 inches top.
8 inches and stop. What you wiring up or doing in here?
I'm trying to get to the AC box.
Ah,
One of the hoses is too short for his new motor, so we got to lengthen it. Trying to get to where I can get to one of the fittings, but can't go that way.
got a lot of wires in here, rewiring this thing. We got a new steering column to put in, new steering wheel, new gauges. But we're getting close every day.
Very close. Very close.
So, I'm not going to ask you a Fun Fact Friday, but I'm going to ask you what you're excited about, what you're getting ready to purchase.
I ordered some new rims for my Jeep last night.
You did what?
Ordered my rims last night.
Oh. Big money.
And we're getting ready to get some
Tires.
new shoes for her too, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. Those guys are big. Oh, you waiting for me?
I mean,
Maybe.
Maybe.
You made good progress here on
Yeah.
on this F100.
Yeah. It's
And-
slowing down a little bit now, just because the little things we have to make sure we pay attention to.
I need you to give me a 15 to 20 second recap on what you did this week,
Okay.
including the little test drive.
All right. So I put in the wiring harness. I made the air intake box, bled the brakes, and hooked up the shifter. And then, I mean, everything works. It runs. So I backed it out, drove around the parking lot, brought it back.
And how'd it drive?
Great. Drove.
Probably didn't get it out first gear though, right?
No,
But it drove.
yeah.
Cool. Okay. All right. What's Carter's? What's your Fun Fact Friday?
Fun Fact Friday. Huh. My Fun Fact Friday is I used to live in a funeral home.
Used to live in a funeral
I
home.
lived in a funeral home.
But he wasn't dead.
No, and I wasn't dead.
Well, you got to put a little background in there because your
Well,
dad.
My dad is a funeral director and embalmer. So when he was doing his apprenticeship, we lived above a funeral home in Kentucky.
How old were you?
I was in 2nd grade.
So young enough. It didn't scare you. All right, we got a new guest here. This Taterhead, I need you to give me a Fun Fact Friday about
I'm
you.
the next Professor T, but hold on. I'm the next Professor T, but they call me Little Professor E.
Oh yeah! That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, here comes Sunshine. Did I ask you? Oh, Fun Fact Friday. What? Yesterday. No. I didn't tell you about that. So okay, we do a little Fun Fact Friday, and you got to tell me something about Sunshine that nobody knows. A fun fact.
I'm boring.
No. Tell them what you used to do with your dad.
I used to do jiu-jitsu for like 5 years, and then I quit because I didn't really like it.
Can you still do it?
I
No.
lost all my powers.
And why do we call you Sunshine? Do you know that?
Because remember the Titans?
Yeah.
Football player?
Remember the Titans, Ronnie Bass? When he first came to work here, he had long hair, so we immediately called him Sunshine. Hey guys, if you like our videos, please hit the like button below. Love for you to share it with some friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you hit subscribe, there'll be a little button to the right. If you'll click that as well, you'll be notified next time we put a video out. Typically, we're putting our shop walk video out on Friday right now, but sometimes we put some out during the week that are other subjects. So if you'll hit that bell, you'll know the latest and greatest video we put down on YouTube. Check us out. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, Vince here. If you like our videos, if you would please like Hey guys, this is Vince with Creative Rods. If you like our videos, cut. Hey guys, if you like our videos, please like it after you. Hey guys, this is Vince. What I want to know is where's your safety glasses?
I don't need them no more.
You gonna put somebody's eye out.
I know, it was mine. That one ain't real.
What's your blood sugar? What was it yesterday before you went to the doctor?
Sweet.
Sweet? Sweet. So you just put your finger in the tea to make it sweet?
I'm the sugar for the Kool-Aid.